I think I messed up. My nose is throwing a tantrum. Sneezing isn't just your body being dramatic, it's actually a super defense mechanism. Here's the deal. Your nose is like a bouncer at a club. When dust, germs, or any unwanted guests try to sneak in, your nose says, "No way, buddy," and triggers a sneeze. It's your body's turbocharged way of kicking out those pesky intruders. The sneeze travels at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. That's like a sports car zooming out of your face. So next time you let out a big achoo, remember, it's just your body's way of keeping you safe and sound. Pretty cool, right? Oh, and don't forget to prevent it from jumping elsewhere. Like and subscribe for more fun facts.